Good afternoon. I mean, that sounded like Sean then. Good afternoon. I'm at Kata Beach and blimey, it's a bit rough out there. I've never seen it this rough. Oh, maybe it's because I've never come here so late. But God, the tide's not normally come out this far. It looks so different. So let's have a walk and see what's changed since the last time I was here. Wow. It's so rough out there. Wow. Those waves, I haven't seen waves like that before. And I can't even get close to it because it's so wet here on the sand. Wow, look at that. Wow. So that's the rainy season? Is that what happens during the rainy season? This is all new to me. Wow. Because I haven't been here in the rainy season. Blimey. Oh my god, if you had a surfboard, you'd be loving that. Wow, those waves are so big. But I can only see one surfboard. Wow. Things have changed in a short space of time. So even though it's the afternoon, it's still not that busy here. As I said before, sometimes it's almost like I've got the beach to myself. Have a look. And I almost have got the beach to myself because there's no one over there and there's hardly anyone here. Wow. Okay, there's a few people down there. Wow, I can't believe those waves. Amazing. Amazing Thailand. Oh. Okay, I thought that was dogs poo, but it isn't. It's something else. Wow, okay. So I'm going to have to try and come here in the morning and see what the difference is. See if it is this rough in the morning is as if it is now. I think I said that right. Maybe not. Wow. I've never heard it make that sound before. It's like a continuous rush. Okay, so I'm not going to walk down the whole beach because I just wanted to say that I'm back in Phuket, back in the Kata Beach. This morning I went for my usual coffee. Well, actually, it was 2 coffees and 1 mixed berry smoothie. and you know it. It's Maybell's Coffee Garden. And I thought, I've got to come to the beach because I miss the beach. I miss the walk. I miss the beauty. So, but it's a bit different. It's changed. Never seen it like this before. So I'll have to take a walk in the morning to see if it's different. Is it because I've come in the afternoon? Because I didn't want to come too early, because it was actually it wasn't too hot. I just didn't want to come too early because I had some editing to do. So I just finished doing some editing now. So while it's uploading, I thought I'd come down here. So wow, what a change. Kata Beach. It's a bit different. And you've got all that like water splash or whatever you call it. So it looks a bit misty. Still beautiful. Crushing noise of those waves. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to walk back now, but I'll just show you the sea rather than my face, because you've probably seen enough of that at the moment. Definitely going to have to come back in the morning and see if it's like this in the morning, unless of course it's pouring down the rain, in which case I won't. But my god, look at the surf over there. I don't think I've ever seen this so rough. Well, I haven't. I know I haven't. That's probably why there's red flags out for no swimming. Still very quiet. Maybe it's quiet because the sea is so rough and people can't swim. I don't know. So there's a few people down the bottom end because the surf seems to be a lot bigger there. And that's right where the rocks are. So that's it really. I just wanted to check in with you and check out Kata Beach, see if there's anything new. And there is. The water's changed. It's got a lot more choppier and loads of waves. Oh, and there's some people out there really doing well with the surfboards. So I might just have a quick look at that. Unfortunately I can't go in. Wow, I can't go in the water. I'm going to get soaked. So maybe next time I might be more prepared and then I can do that if the water is so choppy next time. So there's a lot of whistling going on. Maybe they don't want them to go out. Let's turn the camera around. people that are quite far out, if they get into trouble, they've got no chance. That's how people lose their lives. I think he's calling them out of the water. Another red flag there. That looks very dangerous out there. It's fine if you grabbed hold of the board. Oh my god, that's good. Wow. If you grabbed hold, walking in order. If you grabbed hold of the board, then maybe you might be a bit safe. But if you lose the board, God, being in that water, I wouldn't like to be in that water and trying to swim. Oh god, it's so wet here. I didn't realise I was walking in water. Wow. Rather you than me, because I wouldn't want to go out there. It's a bit rough to me. But some guy out there enjoying himself. Wow, he's doing a good job. Okay, so there you are, Kata Beach, Phuket. I actually started saying it right now. So, thanks for watching What's Dean Doing in Thailand, and catch you again soon. Goodbye.